Hello and welcome everyone. I am Dilip Oak, founder of Dilip Oaks Academy, India's leading institute for higher education in America. In the last video, we discussed why coaching is necessary for the GRE. In today's video, we will talk about how to select the right universities for pursuing masters in America. In America, many good universities offer a variety of courses. We generally recommend students to join any of the top 150 universities. Students are allowed to apply to as many universities as they want, but we suggest that ideally they should apply to 8 universities. 3 top ranked universities where the competition is very high, 3 universities where you have a reasonable chance of getting admission, and the remaining 2 where you are sure to get admission. However, before you select the universities, you must take into account the following 4 factors. 1. Accreditation. First and foremost, check if the university is accredited. In India, universities get accreditation from government agencies like the University Grant Commission, that is UGC, AICTE, Medical Council, etc. In America, there are no such government agencies. Accreditation is given by education experts of private agencies based on multiple factors like standard of education, student intake, research facilities, funding, etc. At Dilip Oaks Academy, our USP is that we send students only to accredited universities, which helps them to get a good job after completing masters. Second, that is ranking. The ranking of a university depends on many factors like its date of establishment, available research funding, laboratories, placement opportunities after graduation, student selection criteria, etc. According to some private agencies like usnews.com, Princeton Review, they give a subject-wise ranking of top 100 to 150 universities depending on the discipline. Most students prefer getting into one of the top 50 universities. Of course, universities not included in top 50 are also good. Even universities not included in the ranking list are also good. Some of them may not be good at national level but are good at state level. The advantage of joining university with a good rank is that it offers better job opportunities, which is the ultimate aim of majority students. Third, research universities. There are 2 types of universities, research universities and teaching universities. So research universities are more important because they give excellent exposure to students and help them to develop an innovative approach. When students are actively involved in research, they experiment and test their hypotheses and come up with creative solutions. This mindset helps them in the long run to get good jobs across various industries and gives them a competitive edge over their peers. Therefore, we encourage students to opt for such universities only. Last, number 4, location. In America, different industries are concentrated in different locations. For example, the IT industry is majorly concentrated in California and also in Seattle. Similarly, the majority of the mechanical and automobile industries are located in Michigan and Ohio. So, considering their geographical advantage, you should apply to universities in those areas where there are more job opportunities. So, these were the 4 factors you should consider before selecting the universities. Remember, university selection is the most crucial step in the entire admission process, because if you go to a wrong university, you end up spending more and you find it difficult to get a job after your master's. Therefore, instead of searching on the free sites available on the internet and deciding yourself, students should consult experts for correct guidance. At Dilip Oaks Academy, we provide selection of university counseling and help you select the universities that suit best to your needs. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time with another interesting topic on higher education in America. Till then, follow us on Facebook and Instagram for regular updates, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you and see you.